Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate yogurt patties. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened cocoa powder, and your favorite sweetener, like maple syrup or honey. Make sure to have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper ready. This preparation step is crucial for preventing sticking and ensuring your patties come out perfectly. It's a quick and easy treat to prepare. Now, let's get to mixing. In a bowl, combine about 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Stir until smooth and uniformly chocolatey. Next, add your sweetener. Start with 1 tablespoon and adjust to your preference. Once mixed, spoon small dollops onto your prepared parchment paper, shaping them into round patties about 1.5 inches in diameter. Don't worry about perfection. Rustic is charming. After forming your patties, it's time for the freezer. Carefully place your baking sheet into the freezer and let the patties chill for at least 2 hours or until completely firm. Once frozen, easily peel them off the parchment paper. Transfer your chocolate yogurt patties to an airtight container and store them in the freezer. They make a fantastic, refreshing snack or a guilt-free dessert. Perfect for a quick, cool treat on a warm day. Want to get creative? Try adding a pinch of sea salt to your mixture to enhance the chocolate flavor, or a dash of vanilla extract for extra aroma. Before freezing, you can also sprinkle your patties with chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or even a few mini chocolate chips for added texture and taste. These small additions can really elevate your homemade treats. Remember to check the description for a link to the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean while you're busy making delicious snacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.